Hello friends, welcome to my channel Unity Guide, and today in this video I will solve this IV cube. So this is our IV cube and this is very simple and very easy Rubik's cube, and we can solve this cube very easily. Before solving this cube, first we will check its rotation. So we can rotate cube like that. We can rotate from this side, from this side. So this is rotation of this cube. So we can check from any one side, and from every side we will rotate our cube like that. We can rotate from this right side, from this left side, and we will solve our this cube. So this is very interesting puzzle and very easy puzzle. And similar, this is our 6 spot Rubik's cube. This is also same like this IV cube. So they are both same, only we have different. If I check this middle piece, this is our center, so we have I shape piece, and in this cube we have spot, they are circle. And if I check these piece, so these are 3 sticker and these are our corners. And in this cube we can see we have also these corner. And this is our yeet ball, and we can solve this ball same like this IV Rubik's cube. So this is also same, this is white opposite yellow, and this is our middle portion. Okay, so I have scrambled this IV cube, and now I will solve this cube. So when we start to solve this cube, our first step, we will solve our white face, because white is our basic and ideal color. Okay, so our first step, we will match two white corner. For example, there is white corner available and we have second white corner in this position, so we will just turn from left side. So we can see we have fixed our two white corner, and now our next step, we will fix this I shape piece, and we can say this is our center. So we will fix this center in this position and we will complete our white. So if I rotate from this position, so our center is fixed but our corner is rotated. If I fix this corner, so corner is fixed, center is rotated. So in this cube we will use special kind of technique. So how we can fix this center? We will match from this position. So this pair we have complete. We will hide this pair in this position, and also we can hide this pair in this side. So we will just hide this pair. If I hide from in this side, now we will just bring this layer back, and again we will rematch this side. So we can see we have complete our white face. Now we will solve its opposite side, and we know our color scheme, white opposite we have yellow. So our first step, we will fix two yellow corner. So one corner we have in this position, second corner we have in this position. So we have fixed two yellow corner. Now we will fix this yellow center. We will apply same technique. First we will match from this position, then we will hide this complete portion in this side. Now we will bring this corner back, and also we will bring this corner back. So this yellow is done, white is done. Now we will place white and yellow left and right side, and we will complete our this middle portion. So when we solve white and yellow, so in this middle portion we can face two kind of cases. This is our case 1. In this case we can see we have already available one solved portion. When we find one solved portion, so we will place this portion in this bottom, place white, and we can also place yellow in this left side. We can hold like that. So yellow and white we will place left and right side, and this solved portion we will place in this bottom side. And now we will just solve our this portion. So in this side we have red corners, so we will just solve our red face and our cube will be solved. So if I turn from this position, so we have available red face in this side. So this is same technique. We will match this red center, then we will hide this red in this position. So we can see our green is also fixed, and now we will bring this side back and rematch this red, and our complete cube will be solved. And now I will show second case. So sometime we can find this kind of case. I mean, we have complete white face, also we have complete yellow. So in this middle portion we can see we have no available any solved portion. When we find this kind of situation, we will select any one color. I can select orange, I can select blue, I can select red, I can select green. So any one color I will select and I will just solve. For example, if I select green, so first we will hold like that, and now we will solve our green portion. So in this time we can see we will start from left side. So just match in this position, then hide this complete portion in this side and bring this green back and bring it up. So green is done, and now we will place this green in this bottom side, and yellow and white we will place left and right side, and we will solve just blue color. So first we will rotate blue from this position because we have available blue center in this position, and now we will just solve blue. So bring this up, and we cannot hide from this side because if hide from this position, so our yellow will be scrambled. So we will hide blue in this position, then rematch this red and rematch this blue. So we can see we have solved our this IV cube.